habang pinagbubuntis ko siya, nagka-COVID ako. I'm on my 6 months, nagka-COVID ako. Kaya, tapos yung COVID na nag-hit sa akin, hindi yung mild. As in talagang nahirapan akong huminga, talagang struggle ako. By the grace of Lord, blessing na blessing talaga yung pagbigay niya sa amin kay Atalia from pregnancy until i-deliver ko siya. So, napaka-precious na ni Baby Lois. Tingnan niyo naman, napaka-healthy, napaka-chubby and jolly girl. Yes.
It's magic. It's magic. It's magic. It's magic.
Anthony and Laarni, will you endeavor, by God's grace, to provide a Christian home for the child and bringing her up in the fear of God and in the faith of our Lord Jesus Christ? We will.
It's magic. It's magic. It's magic. It's magic. It's magic. It's
I just want to greet you happy birthday. I miss you so much along with your mommy and Natalia. I just want to say thank you for being our gift sa aming dalawa ni Mami. By God, thank you so much, and we just want you to know na mahal ka namin.
it's beautiful. Everything we see. It's beautiful. Together you and me.
Lumaki kang patuloy na malusog, anak, and yung tawa mo, yung karisma mo is makahawa pa ng mas maraming tao. And we love you, we love you, we love you.